Trasy Enterprises has developed a machine to manufacture hot melt self-adhesive glue between two release liners. It is designed to produce self-adhesive products such as tapes, labels and medical adhesive patches, where hot melt adhesive is applied between two release liners. This adhesive is commonly used in industries like packaging, automotive, medical, and electronics. The manufacturing process involves several key steps to ensure proper adhesion, smoothness and consistency in the final product. Key components of the machine: hot melt adhesive application system, consist of melt tank, slot die, temperature control system, cooling, setting zone. 2 release liner unwinding and application, lamination unit and winding unit, control panel and monitoring systems. Applications of these adhesive tapes is used in packaging, construction, and automotive industries. Ideal for medical, cosmetic, and food labeling, wound dressings, transdermal patches, and other medical adhesives. By efficiently controlling these processes, manufacturers can produce high-quality self-adhesive products that are easy to handle, offer strong bonding and maintain functionality over time. This is glue between two release papers. This is 1000 GSM glue, around 0.7 mm thickness. Can be pasted on metal, ceramic, paper, cloth, photo frame. Remove the protective layer and use this as a sticker or label to stick on any material. This one is a thin layer of glue between two silicone papers. This is 20 GSM glue, about 0.2 mm thickness. The same way it can be applied to lightweight materials as shown in the video.